This 5-minute solution will show you how to add Discord music bot to your server on mobile. To add a music bot to your server, first of all, go to your browser and search for Discord bot. You have to search for Discord bot music and open the first link, and in this website you will get bunch of different music bots. You can easily add any of them to your server. So right now we will add green bot. So tapping on invite, and now select the server where you want to add the bot. Now I'm going to my server. And as you can see, the green bot has been added to my server. So this is how we can add music bot to server from mobile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.